Ho tuatahi mi aroa ki taku ira mutu a Mikaere, mo tēnei wā, piki te ore e te rangatira. Yeah, look, really excited to know that there's already a Māori sitting at the table, and just recently council put 3 tangata whenua on their big standing committees. So some of these big committees, we're going to have 3 Māori voices. So yeah, it's really important that I do a good job, both for Māori and for council, because what's good for each other, what's good for council, we've got to make it good for Māori, and what's good for Māori, we've got to make it good for councils. And yes, we need to work collectively, not only us, but around the table with the rest of the councillors, but I feel really confident that we can really make an impact as a team and make good decisions that are good for Tauranga Moana as a whole. This seat is not embedded, so there's another big challenge in front of us, and it's going to make that challenge a little bit harder because we need to show a signal to the rest of Tauranga Moana, the rest of the community, that this seat is important. A little bit of time to get my feet under the table, but really I've got to start running and really making that impact, and I'm ready for that.